gi Roda Odhiambo.
Jatend riwruok mar midusa e pachoka midusa Shammah Kiteme ochwalo ng'ur mar nok mar tije ne sirkal mabende giwacho ni sekta no mar midusa osebedo kod nok mar tije. Kalure gi riwruogno mohewa tamalo 50 mag midusa e pachoka onge kod tije kakoro gikwayo sirkal mondo mi odonjre wachno kendo neno ni gibedo kod tije.
On the road to 10,000 jobs for engineers. Your Excellency, we the engineers of Kenya today, on this 27th day of August 2025, call upon the immediate absorption of 10,000 engineers who have no jobs. Whereas you declare this day the Katiba Day, engineers will engage in a peaceful march to raise the matter of unemployment, which many face, and present this petition to yourself. We propose the following measures to be taken immediately to address the big and debilitating problem of unemployment affecting engineers. Many infrastructure projects being done in Kenya are without involvement of Kenya engineers. The foreign firms that are doing these jobs do not employ Kenyan engineers. And those few they employ, they do not pay them, as they pay the experts. Please intervene.
Mani mabedo kilowe giko mag weche matuche